What if I told you that some of the easiest marks in NEET biology are hidden inside diagrams that students simply glance at and forget? And what if I told you that a single handbook containing every important NEET biology diagram could help you revise the months of preparation in just a few days? Think about it. Thousands of aspirants spend hours rereading paragraphs. Toppers often spend minutes looking at diagrams and recalling entire chapters. And today I'm sharing a resource that can completely transform the way you revise biology. If you are someone who forgets processes, confuses labels, or struggles with visual memory, then I can genuinely believe this handbook might become one of the most valuable resources in your preparation journey. Stay till the end because I'll also tell you how to use this handbook to maximize retention and improve your biology score. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Scholar's Psyche, the place where we don't just study for NEET. We train our minds to understand, retain, and perform under pressure. Today, I'm extremely excited to share something that many aspirants overlook, but NEET examiners absolutely love: the NEET Biology Visual Atlas Handbook. Now, this is not another notes handbook. This isn't a theory booklet, and it's definitely not another bulky PDF you will download and never open again. This handbook is entirely dedicated to one powerful revision tool: visual learning. It's just visual learning. Because sometimes one diagram can teach what 5 pages or text can't. What's inside this visual handbook, you may ask? Let's take a tour inside. Complete diagram collection. This handbook contains every important diagram required for NEET, class 11th, class 12th, high yield chapters, frequently repeated concepts, everything organized chapter wise, no endless scrolling, no searching through multiple books, just one place. Everything, literally everything you need. Plant physiology illustrations, you will find beautifully arranged diagrams covering topics such as transpiration, mineral uptake, photosynthesis pathways, leaf anatomy, xylem transport, stomata movement, plant tissues, root structure, everything you imagine of. These concepts often become easier to understand when you actually visualize them. Human physiology diagrams, arguably one of the most scoring sections in NEET biology. Inside, you will find human heart, cardiac cycle, nephron structure, digestive system, respiratory pathways, brain sections, eye anatomy, female reproductive system, male reproductive system, hormonal glands, blood circulation charts, and trust me, NEET loves asking questions directly from these illustrations. And it is the most easy scoring part, which most students quite often miss. Genetics and biotechnology flowcharts for students who struggle in genetics. I have got good news. This handbook includes simplified visual summaries for DNA structure, replications, genetic process, biotechnology processes, pedigree charts, translation, transcription, PCR techniques, cloning vectors, making genetics visual can honestly make it feel 10 to 20 times easier. Ecology mind maps, cycle, pyramids, food chains, succession, pollution interactions, all covered into quick visual references that are perfect for last minute revision. Absolutely perfect. Why visual learning is so powerful? Let's talk about something interesting. Scientists often suggest that our brain processes visuals significantly faster than blocks of text. And if you have ever remembered a chapter simply because you saw a picture of it once, you have already experienced this phenomenon. Most students revise biology like this: read, forget, read again, forget again, repeat. But visual learners often revise differently. They observe, they take in it, connect, recall, retain. One glance at a diagram can trigger an entire sequence of concepts. One labeled figure can remind you of 20 facts. One flowchart can summarize an entire chapter for you. And that's exactly why this handbook was created. Not to make you study harder, but to help you study smarter and make you visually more compliant towards studying. How to use this handbook effectively? Here's what my recommendations feel like. You can use as per your call to. Step 1, complete your NCRT chapter. Read it thoroughly. Step 2, open this handbook. Study only the diagrams. Cover the cover the labels. Try identifying them yourself. Step 3, redraw difficult diagrams. You don't need artistic skills. Simple, sketchy work works. The process itself strengthens memory. Step 4, spend 10 times every night revisiting 5 diagrams at least. Just 5. Within a month, you will have revised nearly every important visual in biology. Step 5. Before mock tests, use this handbook as rapid revision atlas. You will be amazed at how much information your brain cells recall. I have made this handbook completely available for you for free. You will find the download link waiting in the description box below. Download it, save it, print it, annotate it, carry it, and most importantly, actually use it. Because resources don't improve scores, consistent revision does. So here is the community challenge. Let's do something together. Comment below. I revise visually and let me know, would you like me to create similar handbooks for physics formula, chemistry reactions, NCRT mind maps, NEET PYQ diagram collections? I'd love to build an entire visual library for this community. Remember this, the dream of becoming a doctor isn't built in moments of motivation, it's built in quiet revision sessions, repeated exposure, small improvements, and the decision to keep showing up. One diagram remembered today could become 1 mark secured tomorrow, and 1 mark secured tomorrow could become the rank that changes your life. This is Scholar's Psyche. Train your mind, visualize biology, crack NEET. Until the next handbook, mock test, or revision challenge, stay curious, stay disciplined, and keep turning pages into progress. Subscribe. Thank you, guys.